Hi, I am going to guide you through the tutorials of SPOD, the social platform for open data of the Route to P8 project. My name is Ruth, and I will be helped by Mark.
Yes, Ruth. My name is Mark. Hi everybody. We will begin with a very short introduction, just to get to know SPOD.
SPOD platform is social platform for open data. It is available in 4 languages: English, French, Dutch, and Italian. If you like, you can select the language by clicking on the right top corner and SPOD will talk your language.
To begin with, you should log in into the platform by using username and password. You can also recover the password if you forgot it.
The first page we see is what's new. Here, all the activities of SPOD users are shown.
As you will see, you can befriend with users, and here you can show only my friends' activities.
You can write something on the status, as I am doing now.
And of course you can comment and like the status.
SPOD is, first, a place where you can discuss about open data. The Agora page shows all the discussions, organized in public rooms. You can see the list of available rooms. Above the list, however, there is a possibility to select the most recent rooms, those with the highest relevance, the most popular, the rooms you created, and there is the possibility to search them by name. Once you select a room on the left, you can find all the related information on the right. Description, statistics, users and suggested datasets. You can also enable email notifications for the room selected.
Okay, Ruth. What do I find in a room?
Mark, please get into the room in which the Agora tutorial is discussed. There it is.
Okay, I am in. Now I see so many buttons on the left, and a discussion among citizens, who also use the data with datasets.
The first button, Messages, has a number that indicates how many messages have been posted while you were not connected. Clicking, you will see all the new messages to read. The second button, Search, allows you to search a keyword in the discussion. The Sentiments button shows the feeling with which the comments in the discussion were released. The Users button shows the graph of connections between the participants in the discussion. The Dataset button, finally, shows the dataset created and published in the discussion, provided it is a direct link.
Beautiful. Now I try to leave a comment in the discussion.
Well done. Now try to publish a dataset.
Here's my dataset, but now that I clicked on Add button, where is it?
The dataset you have created is ready for publication. In the comments area, there is something new.
It is true, Ruth. What is that symbol that just appeared?
If you click on it, the preview of your dataset is shown. If you had not activated before, below you can enable email notifications.
Okay, thanks. The room is public, right?
Of course, everyone can access and comment, but only the moderator can delete the comments.
In SPOD 1.6 we have introduced a new co-creation room, where a group of users can create a new dataset. As an example, assume that we want to write a new dataset about the humidity of our town, from some personal observations. We have, first, to create a new data co-creation room. filling the form with all the related information, including the name of the room, the subject, the period of usage, and the members. When we have finished, the new room is created. The name we have used is humidity. You can see that we can choose to split screen between the dataset and some additional information. In this example, we will show always the screen split in half, as the dataset we are working on is very simple and fits in half screen. In this way, we can show the datasets with its datelets or its metadata. There is the possibility to have a discussion. On the left you see the shared spreadsheet, where we will enter the data. Now, we can enter the humidity for each month. We will enter only the first 5 months. Now, let us create a visualization of the dataset by a datalet. Click on the button to the right, and the controllet is shown. That will be referring to the dataset just created. Let us choose the 2 columns and the simple bar chart. Now we have a dataset and a visualization. Notice that if we change the value from the dataset, then the visualization changes. We can add multiple visualizations to see different views of the same dataset. We can also create the notes for the dataset, writing, for example, where the data comes from. Now, we should create the metadata. Just as an example, let us write only the title and the description. Of course, this spreadsheet is collaborative. The users that I have invited in the room can modify the data, the notes, and the metadata. The data that is created in this room is currently visible only to the users of this room. If we want to make them available, then we should publish them by using the button on the top left. The data is shown, and you can choose to definitely publish them on the SPOD. Now the data is accessible by everybody on the SPOD and used into the discussions. From the co-creation page, you can see all the datasets that have been published by all the users with their version, notes, and metadata. Notice that each time the same dataset is exported again, the version number is changed. Now, I can simply create a new datalet by using the controllet as usual. There it is.
But you can also have your own personal space, called My Space. You can create data visualizations, text notes, and URLs.
Here it is possible to place visualization of open data, URLs and notes so that they can be reused later in discussion.
But SPOD is a social platform, so you can see who are other members, and see who is online.
Of course you can ask friendship to a user. Ruth, I will ask you for friendship.
Click at the top right of any page of SPOD to log out. We hope you liked this first experience. Come back soon.
Bye.
For more information, please consult www.roottopa.eu.